Hey guys, it's Miss Ruff again. So today's lesson was the first lesson of Unit 6. This unit is all about shapes and solids, and we're starting out talking about 2D shapes. A lot of this is review for the students. For the past few days, we've been going over the shapes that we know and trying to get our brains working into this unit. Our very first lesson was talking about ways that we identify shapes, ways that we determine what the name of the shape is. So we were talking about shape attributes. An attribute are things like shape sides, how many vertices they have. They also go into the angles of the sides once it builds on some of this knowledge. But right now, we're really just worrying about how many vertices a shape has, how many sides a shape has, and then with some shapes we determine whether or not the sides are equal, if the sides are not equal. But you'll see in the examples that I'm showing to you. Today's homework is all about counting the vertices and counting the sides of each shape. So let me show you a few examples. In our lesson today, we were talking about attributes on how we determine which shapes they are. So one attribute that we have are sides. A side is a straight edge that closes out the shape. This shape here has 1, 2, and 3 sides. We also, on this shape, have 3 vertices, and a vertex is any corner or point on the shape. 1, 2, 3. So 3 vertices. And students told me that a triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices, and that's how they were to determine that this is a triangle. If we look at this trapezoid here, we see that it has 4 sides and 4 vertices. 4 sides and then 4 vertices. So just at baseline, this is all we're worrying about right now. We're seeing if they have, how many sides they have and how many vertices. And then we're going to start looking at how that helps us determine what shape we're looking at. If anyone has any questions or concerns, please let me know. Along with this video today, I'm going to be attaching a PowerPoint that gives us some shape review, also with some videos that will help students practice their shapes at home if they need to. A lot of our students are very comfortable with naming our shapes so far. If you have any questions or concerns, please let me know. Have a great day.